syempre thankful kami at napili yung team namin na maging Team of the Year ba yan o thankful kami kasi yun nga, achieve namin yung Grand Slam for last year.
For the players lang din, ano lang feeling na makatanggap ng ganitong recognition from the PSA after ng Grand Slam?
Sobrang happy kasi ito yung second time namin na makakuha kami ng award. And syempre, masaya din na kasama na namin si Bea. The first time na makakasama namin sa award na to.
For Bea din, same question. Thoughts lang on the recognition for Dreamline?
Of course, we're all very happy to receive this award. It's a really big honor and a testament din sa hard work na ginawa namin all throughout the year. And talagang sobrang happy lang namin na dito kami ngayon.
Same purpose.
Sobrang happy din po and sobrang grateful na ma-recognize ulit. And syempre, sobrang thank you din sa lahat ng mga teammates kasi ito yung result na pinaghirapan din talaga namin sa training.
Natalay, recognition for Dreamline and for Gia din as Miss Volleyball.
Well, for the team, we're very, very happy. And another motivation for us to be better this year. So hopefully, ito yung isa namin inspirasyon para mas galingan pa namin sa team this year. For Gia, we're very, very proud of her. We just can't wait to see her again. But we're just happy sa lahat ng mga recognition na binibigyan niya, and not only for the Dreamline team but also for the national team. So we're really looking forward to cheering her as part of the Alas Pilipinas as well.
Thank you po. Dali ko na po kayo sa table niyo.